Hello, and a warm welcome to UWSP and the Department of Geography and Geology. We're glad you're here. I'm Dr. Eric Larson, Chairperson of the Geography Geology Department, here to welcome you and explain our program, facilities, opportunities, and career paths. Let's get started. We have a wide variety of expertise in the fields of geography and geology within the department, with specialty areas in GIS remote sensing, urban planning, geology, and physical geography. We offer a major in geospatial sciences, which combines the expertise of our faculty with an emphasis on geographic information systems, remote sensing, computerized mapping, and spatial analysis. A new multidisciplinary major in community sustainability will be offered starting in spring 2021. Students can pursue career-oriented options in resilient community planning and policy, or environmental justice and community leadership. The Department of Geography and Geology also offers minors in earth science, environmental geography, geographic information systems, urban planning, and geodesign. Additionally, we offer 18-credit certificates in GIS, cartography, environmental management, forestry, and urban and regional planning to help students better prepare for specialized careers within the geographic realm. To give an example of what you can do, here's a short 45-second cartographic animation developed in our dynamic cartography course. Do you recognize the community? It's Stevens Point, of course, with a bit of vertical exaggeration added for dramatic effect. How do you succeed at UWSP and in the Department of Geography? It takes determination, organization, and planning for your future. A typical week for a college student involves about 15 credits of coursework. That would be 5 3-credit classes per semester. Each of these 3-credit classes would have either 3 hours of instruction time or, typically in many geography geology classes, 2 hours of instruction and a 2-hour lab per week. Going to college is a full-time job. You should expect a full 40-hour work week to satisfy the academic requirements here at UWSP. But there's plenty of support available to help you navigate college. The Academic Career and Advising Center will help you get started with selecting the appropriate classes during your first 4 semesters here at UWSP. Additionally, you will have an advisor, faculty member of the Geography Geology Department to advise you and help you prepare for your professional career. We want you to succeed and feel at home in the Geography Department. You can expect us to offer you a challenging curriculum, mentoring and career preparation, and many opportunities for internships, intellectual growth, and professional preparation. We maintain 4 separate student computer labs with the latest software and technology in the field, including ESRI ArcPro GIS software and ERDAS Imagine remote sensing software. We have dedicated earth science laboratory classrooms and an extensive geology collection of rocks and minerals. We also have our own student group, the Geo Club, which acts as a focal point for student involvement within the department. The Geo Club serves a wide variety of functions, including organizing field trips, scheduling speakers, conducting fundraisers, performing service projects, and helping new students feel welcome within the department. It's here for you, and we encourage you to get involved. The department is dedicated to including undergraduates in applied research opportunities in diverse areas, such as stream sampling, in sedimentology, and in various projects in geography, geology, planning, and environmental science. We offer many applied internships for students. For example, undergraduate Janelle Taylor used GIS and remote sensing and, working with local stakeholders, analyzing land use in northern Wisconsin's Lake Coudray to help protect a rare 2-story fishery. Aaron Willems did an internship with the city of Wausau to develop an online internet-based guide highlighting the downtown Wausau River District with maps and text for the benefit of visitors to the city. What kinds of opportunities and career paths are available to grads of geography and geology? Here's a few examples, including diverse areas such as geospatial information scientists, map makers and photogrammetrists, environmental scientists, geoscientists, urban planners, surveyors, the list goes on. Your job prospects with your geospatial science degree are excellent also, with these geo-related fields projected to grow at a much faster than average rate in our information-based economy. Here are some examples of where some of our UWSP graduates have found employment after graduation. Jesse Holm applies his GIS skills for Humminbird fish finders to develop bathymetric map products and technologies for the use of recreational fishermen. 2019 graduate Megan Banaski now works in Washington, D.C. for ESRI, the makers of the industry-leading ArcPro GIS software. Megan consults with federal agencies to develop solutions to geospatial problems using geography, GIS, and computer science. Many of our graduates, such as David Johnson, find rewarding careers in private companies and/or government agencies who manage a land base or develop spatial networks, such as utilities, private timber companies, and telecommunications firms. More on the careers of our graduates and other information is included in our UWSP Geo News newsletter, which is available online. How can you make a difference with your degree from the UWSP Geography and Geology Department? Here's a recent example from right here in River City, where UWSP Geography Department undergraduates joined a community-based effort to create an updated bathymetric map of the local Stevens Point flowage. Undergraduate geography students Mason Johnson and Brian Deegan worked in conjunction with department professors and numerous local partners to create an entirely new map product for the Stevens Point Reservoir section of the Wisconsin River, located near downtown Stevens Point. Using state-of-the-art mapping and GPS technology, a boat, and a fair measure of grit and determination, Mason and Brian systematically ran transects throughout the 3,000-acre reservoir while collecting sonar data regarding water depths in the flowage. Over a 13-day period on the water, they collected over 120,000 data points and then moved into the Geography Department Spatial Analysis computer labs to develop contour lines mapping water depths over the full extent of the reservoir. They combined the sonar-derived depth data set with a map base derived from a remotely sensed image in the Stevens Point Reservoir area and created a final bathymetric map of the reservoir. 6,000 copies of the map were produced, which quickly sold out. Congratulations to Mason and Brian for a job well done and a highly successful student internship. Thank you for taking the time to visit UWSP's Geography and Geology Department. For more information about our degree programs and student opportunities, please visit our website. Better yet, visit us in person on the 3rd floor of the Science Building on the UWSP campus. We look forward to seeing you this fall.